Freezing in here. What's up, y'all? Cousin Nita. Sorry I'm a little late for whiteboard talk, but I'm here nonetheless. Let's run through a couple problems if y'all still are up for it. It's not too late. He said, yeah, because you just gonna have to pay extra. That's all. Tell them to make you one of your size, baby. You will pay the cost. They can't fire you. You the boss. Ooh, that rhymes. Ha! Bars. Okay, y'all, let's get into these problems. Okay, so let me flip this around. Whiteboard talk, heavy whiteboard talk. So we have a mortgage of $54,000. Mortgage, not period, but equals is $54,000, and the annual interest is 13.25%, 13 and a quarter. This is the annual interest on this mortgage. What is the amount of the monthly interest? Okay, I'll give you all a second. Mortgage that's $54,000. Annually you paying 13 a quarter, which Kendra, you are absolutely right. That is high as hell. But so that's what you pay annually. What do you pay a month in terms of your interest? What is your monthly interest? How much in dollars and cents is your monthly interest? Nah, not 1.1%. The mortgage is $54,000. Annually, every year you pay 13 and a quarter in interest. So, what in dollars and cents? How much do you pay a month in monthly interest? Nope, I haven't seen the right answer. Close, provider, a couple dollars off. Simply Zinzi, a couple dollars off too. Your provider must have made the same mistake. Anybody else got an answer? Close, Deb. You guys are making the same mistake. I think I know what you're doing too. Your mortgage is 54. Your annual interest is 13 and a quarter. In dollars and cents, how much do you pay a month in interest? So we know you pay your PITI. What is the interest amount on that? Yeah, in dollars. Baby Mouse, a little too low, baby. Ronnie also a little bit too low. I think you might have messed up your decimal points, and you might be on to something. Anybody else have an answer? Have a figure? You know what, y'all? This is my bad. I made a mistake. This is supposed to be 600. So Provido, y'all might be right. 54.6. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Recalculate the same way you did and see if you get the right answer. That's why y'all was so close. I'm sorry. That was my bad. So the mortgage is 54.6. So let's multiply the 54.6 by the 13.25. I'm sorry, Zenzi. I hope that's how you said it. I'm sorry. Yeah, that was me. That was on cuz. 54.6 is the mortgage. Okay. So yeah, Provado. There you go. There you go. Okay, so you had your process right. Your cuz just gave you the wrong figures. I'm sorry. Okay, so for everybody who didn't get the right answer, let's go through it right quick. So you're gonna take the mortgage, which is the 54.6. We're gonna multiply it by the 13.25, and then that gets us $7,234.50. Okay, so we took the 54.6 and multiplied it by the 13.25. That gets us $7,234.50. Okay. Now, so this is, what does this number represent? Somebody tell me. What does that number represent? We multiplied the mortgage by the annual interest. What does that tell us? Right, Zinzi. It's the annual, right? We're only looking for the monthly. So that means that we would do what? Divide it by 12. There are 12 months in a year. So we divide this by 12. Once we divide it by 12, we get $602.88 a month is our interest payment every month. So if we have a $54,600 mortgage and our annual interest is 13.25%, every month we can expect to pay $600, which is crazy as hell. That's some people's rent right now. Okay? Does everybody see how we got that? Wow, that's good. Oh, Robert, you must live in New York or something like that. Cali or something. Anybody not see how we got to that?